You're not tired. Your brain is overloaded. Every day, notifications, endless scrolling, gaming, and distractions steal your attention without you even noticing. 1 minute on social media becomes 30. One game becomes 3 hours, and suddenly another day is gone. But the real problem isn't your phone. It's the voice inside your head saying, "I'll start on Monday," "I'll begin next month," or "I'll do it when I feel motivated." Day after day, that voice keeps delaying your dreams. Then another voice appears, the stronger voice. It says, "Start today. Start small.
I must start
Just
now."
take one step." This is the battle with your subconscious mind, the fight nobody else can see. Every successful person wins this battle again and again. Look at Virat Kohli. His success didn't come from motivation alone. It came from showing up consistently, training every day, and staying disciplined even when he didn't feel like it. Greatness isn't built in a single day. It's built through thousands of ordinary days repeated consistently. If you want to rest your mind, don't escape from your work. Remove the distractions that drain your energy. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Spend less time on your phone. Stop letting games control your schedule, and replace bad habits with better ones. Eat healthy food, sleep properly, and give your brain the fuel it needs. Focus on one task at a time instead of trying to do everything at once. One focused hour is more powerful than an entire day of distractions. Remember, success doesn't belong to the most talented person. It belongs to the most consistent one. Your future won't change on Monday, next month, or next year. It changes the moment you decide to start. Rest your mind.